Hello, 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 welcome. This is Ben coming to you from Danbury, Connecticut. And I am coming to you today with a haul. So if you have seen some of my older videos, you know that I used to do a lot of mini albums and sharing tutorials and process videos and things like that. And it's been a long time since I've done that. Lots of reasons why. I kind of didn't have enough space for a while, but now I live in this nice big house and I've got space again. So I want to get back into making mini albums. So I decided to go online and buy some stuff to, start doing this again. And so I have a haul today from a cherry on top, which I had ordered from before back in the day when I was doing this. And I want to show you what I bought and maybe see if any of you can help me with some inspiration. And this box is sealed shut very well. So let me get this open. There we go. So I ordered this on Monday and today's Wednesday. It got here in 2 days. I didn't even pay for like fast shipping or anything like that. So that's really great. Okay, so let's see here. So very exciting. I was kind of looking around craft stores in my area at, Michael's and Joann's, and they really just don't have much in the way of like scrapbooking paper and things like that. Michael's only carries Recollections now. They used to have other brands back when I was doing this a lot. So I was just like, I've got to order from a good place. So here we go. I ordered different things from 2 different lines. So, this is just so pretty. I'll start with the Graphic 45. So I got things from the Graphic 45, what's it called? Let's Get Cozy collection. So this is the first thing. I got the Graphic 45, Let's Get Cozy. This is the 12 by 12 paper set. And I thought this was a pad, but it is not, which is great because then it's all loose sheets. So got that. And it is, I believe, it is 16 sheets, so it's 2 each of 8 designs. So that is the main paper. And that's the back. I just love Graphic 45. I love the colors they use. I love the art. It's just great stuff. That one, and this is like a wintry thing, but it's not specifically Christmas, so it's a little broader, seasonal rather than a specific holiday, which I liked. And it's a lot of this is like some of the borders and things. It's also got kind of like, I guess, like a Scandinavian theme, which I really like as well. Like, look at that, it's so cool. I do a lot of knitting as well, and I've always loved kind of like Scandinavian sweaters and things like that. This is all the cut aparts, which is really cool, and that. So those are great. I knew I would love that. Graphic 45 is always amazing. That's the 12 by 12 pack. I had a 20% off code. They had an Easter sale, so I got that for $15.60. So I also got the 8x8 papers. Not gonna open those, it's the same stuff. The 8x8 papers were $11.60. And then I got the 12 by 12 patterns and solids. So I'm gonna open those just to go through quickly. And this is It says 16 sheets, two each. So on one side it's this, and it doesn't show up great, but there's a lot of texture underneath that. And then that. So it says, now this has the same backside, and you know, let me, if I can get close, it says solids, but they're not really solid. There's a lot of texture to it, which I like. So even on the solids, it still has some nice design going on, which I appreciate. So it's that, and I'm not gonna go through all of them because it's the same idea throughout, but you get it. So that's another 16 sheets. The 8x8 set is, I wanna say, it's 24 sheets. So it's 3 of each design, whereas the 12x12s are 2 of each. So the patterns and solids I got for $14. Then I also got the flower assortment, which was $5.60. And then I also got the chipboard pieces. It's just 1 sheet of chipboard pieces. I got a lot from the same set because I'm kind of dipping my toe back into this, and I know it's expensive to sort of buy all of the things that are matching already, but it kind of starting this again, it was kind of imposing to think of like, oh, if I just bought paper and had to kind of figure out all the embellishments myself would probably be like a lot the first time getting back into this. So getting matching things from a set is going to make it a lot easier. So that was the Let's Get Cozy. The other collection that I bought from was, and let me just get the tape off of this so I can flip through it, is, oh, come on, from BoBunny. This is the Brighton collection, and this is a pad. These are single-sided sheets, but there's 48 of them, and I don't even know how many designs it is. Oh, 2 of each design, so 24 different sheets, and this is very different. So that's the cut aparts, and it's got gold foil accents. Sorry for the angle. I'm kind of getting back to the video stuff. It'll get better, I promise. So this is kind of pastels, florals. My boss just had a baby, so I think I might try and make an album for her using this. That's so pretty. I really like floral stuff. So just some kind of lined paper with some flowers on it. I really like the gold foil in this. Yeah, I really like this. It's, for me, it's a nice mix of sort of like floral, flourishy kind of stuff that's not too frilly, I guess. I don't know. Is that what I'm trying to say? So yeah, so I think you get the idea. These are really nice. Really, really nice. So that was 48 pieces, and that cost me $17.59. Then I also got from the same collection, they don't do 6x6, they do 6x8, which I'm not gonna flip through this because I believe it is the same. And this was $7.99. And then I also got a few of the things to go along with this. So it says embellishments, or it's like kind of it's an ephemera pack. That was $4.79. Then I got these puffy stickers, which have kind of slipped down. There we go. Puffy stickers for $3.99. And then they have a set of brads, which, how cool are those? Those were $5.59. So all in all, I'm really excited. I think these are like beautiful papers. I love both of the collections. Yeah, so I'm still now trying to figure out like how I'm gonna make this. I really think I need to follow like a tutorial because again, it's been so long. So I've also haven't really been keeping up with all the YouTubers now that do these mini albums. So if any of you have any suggestions of like cool YouTubers or good tutorials to follow, I'm open. I think I want to do an 8x8 just because I have a lot of paper to do this with. So I think I have enough to do an 8x8. So again, I'm all ears. If you have any suggestions, people I should be looking at, YouTube channels I should be looking at, videos, etc., let me know. I'm hopefully going to make some process videos along the way too to sort of show you what I'm doing. Not a full-fledged tutorial yet because I'm not quite there yet, right? In the first couple, I think I'm going to be following somebody else's tutorials while I kind of get back into this. But yeah, I'm really excited. And like I said, let me know if you have any suggestions on who I should be looking at. But yeah, other than that, it's good to see all of you. And hopefully I'll be seeing you all very soon. Bye.